What I was going to say is that almost always the unnecessary suffering layer, the layer, if there's the real suffering, let's call it, or pure suffering, and then the layer on top of that is usually negative emotions of some kind. And that's why the fourth way says, you can't transform your suffering until you can transform negative emotions about the suffering. So first we have to, or you could say, transcend the negativity, all the negative emotions about my suffering and about me, this sense of me who is suffering. All of that has to be seen through or dissolved or transcended in order to be able to actually access the material that's in the real suffering. And then that's a whole nother level of transmutation. Because if you think about it, when we transform the real suffering of being a human being, and my example with my daughter is a small example in this regard, but when we transform negative emotions, we are transforming our psychological body, our psychological sense of I. But when we transform real suffering, we are literally transcending our whole sense of identity as a human being, as a body and a mind. And this is the hidden magic, really, of suffering. It contains this possibility, if we can manage not to get sucked into it, if we can instead find a way to use it, the word is transform or transmute it.